Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to set up ConvertKit from Mailchimp. So first, just simply go to Grow over here and go to subscribers. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and click on add subscribers over here on the right side of the screen and click on other provider over here and click on Mailchimp over here. And after that, you should be able to just simply provide your API key. In order for you to get your Mailchimp API key, you can just simply click on this one over here, guys, and it will redirect you to the Mailchimp and just simply sign in into your account. And I made this table over here so you can have a guide as well. So just simply click on your profile icon once you are logged in and just simply select your profile, and from there just simply click the extras drop down menu and just simply select API keys. From there, into your API key section, just simply click on create a key. And after that, just simply name your key for easy identification. So pretty much it will be depending on you. Just simply click on generate key. And after that, just simply click copy key to clipboard so you can save the key. And from there, guys, just simply save your API key in a secure location for future use. And that's simply about it. Once you have the key, just simply paste it over here and you can start importing, and you should be able to set up your ConvertKit from Mailchimp. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.